Ghana no ye fa bibia nso tra. Let me advise the youth. Say your Cyber Security Act 2020 Act 1038 no. Eye adwuma wo eye active. Enunti na unso obi no obi koye bibi no o record na obi post to social media na e bia na ya beche no. To mo de no akotwe mu hwe se ye hwehwe mu se mra ne bedi. The same way so ne word your friend of false publication. Enti se o ho kwan se obetumi ayusu obi mfonyini e de aye bibi. Eno kra no according to the law no emra ne mu no uhia ne consent. But obi a oye public figure no mostly ya na yeta yusu without recourse to adibia we bia news bia ba waka ase bia timi de ne mfonyini to ho yusu without the consent. Eno yeta ye. But se wo publish ya, you should make sure say ade na o ka e de nipa ne mfonyini ato ho no eye no kore. Simple.
Yes.
Say enya no kore dia ene emra no ebe mu anyasem. That is what you must know. Your dear friend deep fake and now misleading content. What said that say picture and now bibi to him na ode adada nipa atwi nipa adwena kode enya no kore so. Wa bra udi gina obi mfonyini so na obi dinimu. Eno sa de embra betumi no wadi. False publication. But as to now, that's why I was actually saying say me se wakase we hu ni Chapel Square. What I just saw nti ye Chapel Square. Na se obi e kopa hwe no obekọ na bibia nsi wo de na se wo mislead the public no. Is something wrong over there?
Yes.
And I will say it, Jeff Peke, no mami. Say, oh, misleading. Say, oh, I didn't see Chapel Square. No, be a beckoning, ni what you are misleading. So when the investigations come out, police for no, and no more head ya, medical can when I was starting, send them any problem. Mobeko, na I didn't one word that they have any problem. But just because I see Doomso is back in Tina watching it there, I mean, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't really make sense because you do mukania unzi, you do mukania. Mamenko, Charles.